Hello,
Hello.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm buzzing with energy. Thank you asking for me. What about you?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm also doing great, and thank you for asking. I'm truly excited for the session, and it's a
I
it's
can
a
see your excitement.
yeah, little bit nervous because I'm very new. It's
Oh my God.
yes, ma'am. So it's my fourth or fifth session with you.
Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So no need to nervous because we are learning this language. So it's a happen because I also when I had a first conversation, I felt butterflies in my stomach. Even I didn't know how to speak, and I was fumbling a lot when I had a first conversation. So it's happened with everyone when we have first conversation. But when we do every day regularly, so we are habitual. We will be habitual.
True, ma'am. It's happened. Yeah. Hmm. Okay.
So
And first of all, ma'am, thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much. And for your time.
yeah, it's my pleasure. Okay, okay. So how is your practice going on, and how is your life treating you these days?
Yeah, ma'am, life is treating me very well. I'm very happy. And okay, first of all, I give a short introduction of mine.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so yeah, ma'am. As you know, my name is Shivani, and basically, I'm from Himachal Pradesh, and currently based in Delhi. And I'm working in private sector. About my hobbies, I love singing and like to read books and watch podcasts. That's little about me, ma'am.
It's a great introduction from your side. So, do you also need my introduction?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay, first of all, thank you for joining me. As you already know, my name is Pooja Verma. I'm from UP. I live in Kanpur. I have completed my postgraduate in education. Apart from that, I have YouTube channel and where I upload conversation and short video. That's all about me. And these days, I'm also learning like you.
Yeah, that's great, ma'am. Yeah, and you are asked me how's life treating me. Yeah, it's quite good, and yeah, I'm nowadays I'm practicing English with my colleagues, with my friends, and with listening, and also I'm making video for YouTube channel. So yeah, it's very helpful to improving my English. And how about you, ma'am?
Great.
How you are practicing?
Yes, my practice has been going on fantastic because I conduct at least one and two session every day and I practice there and I give my thought to each other. I listen to each other so that at that way I improve my communication day by day. So yeah, as you already told, like you are working profession. So what do you do?
I'm in a insurance broking sector.
Okay, okay. So how do you get time? Because I think maybe are you married?
Yes, I'm married, but
How many children do you have?
I don't have kids. That's why I have time. So that's why I have time to to connect with you all them.
Okay, 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 great. Because after Paris, life totally hell. We don't get time for herself, or mostly after baby. After
Yeah, it's
baby.
very difficult. Yes, it's truly difficult. But okay, somehow means we females are managing the all the things.
Yeah, because females
The,
are multitasking.
yeah,
All female are multitasking. They can manage everything very smartly because they
smartly.
know how to manage this task, how to handle the situation, how to manage our children, family, or along with that our work also like office work and other work. So we know
Yeah,
very
it's
well
true, ma'am. Yeah, it's true, ma'am.
because we are
Yes.
habitual and
Yeah, we are habitual and means the people around us they also expect from us we will do everything and we will handle everything.
yes, right.
Mm.
Okay, okay. So, how long have you been in this platform?
Yeah, it is going very good, and I can say I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the process, and uh, whatever. And yeah, nowadays whatever I'm learning, I'm posting it on YouTube. So yeah, it's making so interesting and fantastic. So I'm really feeling very happy nowadays because
How long
before
have you been learning this language? I was
uh,
asking how long have you been learning this
okay, okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah,
language? No issue.
actually, I I have started in month of April. In month of April, and before that I practiced many time, but I was not very much consistent. So I learned sometime and then unable to continue the things. So yeah, so but yeah, in this time I'm very what can I say? um yeah,
It's okay,
means
no issue.
actually I'm not getting the word. Yeah,
Okay,
so
okay. Okay,
yeah,
no
I'm
issue.
consistent, this time, so I'm very serious. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Actually, no, today I didn't prepare anything because I always prepare some question before
Okay.
joining with people because it's good because we can't mug us all question our mind. And
Yeah, it's
I have completed my work before you send message. Okay, so that's why. But I have some activity I can do. But first of all, I would ask one question: what is your favorite season and why?
oh season.
It's very simple.
Yeah, it's very simple, but yeah, mm, well, when I live in Himachal, then I like summer season. But when after coming in Delhi, I like winter season because
Oh my God.
in
Okay.
Delhi, in Delhi, it's truly hot, and we unable to go outside in the day. It's scorching hot, and when we go outside, it totally drain our energy. So yeah, okay. Nowadays, I like uh, winter season. And what
Okay.
about you,
So
ma'am?
what do you do special in your winter season? Tell me what do you do special in your winter season and why do you like winter season? Why you don't like summer season?
Okay, what
Oh
I
my
do
God.
in winters, what I do, I just take a blanket and lying down the bed, and nothing to do, and just lied on the bed only. Just I'm just scrolling my phone, taking watching videos. If I also reading. So yeah, yeah, I'll do that. And in winter, I think uh, I thought we can survive without electricity in winters. So
Yes, right.
yeah,
It's very easy.
it's very easy. Many things are there. We are able to manage easily in winters. Like when we are going to office, we are not getting tired very much because this winter season is very pleasant season, I can say now in in Delhi. But yeah, that's why I like the season, the winter season. Okay.
Yeah, I like winter season. I don't like summer season because in summer season we have to face main problem electricity and like sweating problem. Okay, but in summer season there is no any kind of problem. We can survive very easily, and we can eat healthy food like a healthy and oily food also. There is no side effect,
Yes,
and we
true.
can eat like seasonal food. Okay, and
Hmm.
but on some like winter season we don't feel like washing the cloth or utensil.
Yeah,
Otherwise
yeah,
we
yeah,
have
true.
but but we have to do everything on time. And one thing also, like as you told, we feel like sleeping, cover the blanket. We don't feel like taking out from the
Yeah,
blanket. Okay, we
yeah, it's a
can scroll the
cozy,
phone, we can
cozy.
spend time.
Yes, true.
Yeah, so that's why some, I think mostly people like summer season. Oh, sorry,
Sorry,
winter season.
winter. Yes, yeah,
Winter
this is
season.
the, yeah. Okay, so
And
you tell,
on
ma'am.
winter season, yeah, it's we can say we have to wear so many clothes like
Yeah,
socks. And on winter season you can get extra cloth, extra things for washing. It's
yes,
because we have benefits, so we had advantage or disadvantage both.
both, both. Yes, it's
Yes.
true, ma'am. Yeah, agree with you. Okay, okay, ma'am. So you tell about your journey, why you have started, and how you manage the things.
Okay. So if I talk about my journey, why I started, because very well these days people are very enthusiastic about this language these days. And after learning, people have YouTube channel. Okay, and I started my journey because I want to improve myself, I want to improve my communication skills. And after 5 and 4 months, I created my YouTube channel because of my improvement. Just like you started because you want to improve your
Self, yeah.
speaking journey. That's why I also started improving myself. And I created my channel because of my communication skills. When it's come to audio call, we feel comfortable, we think I am a very confident person, I can articulate our thought very well, we can speak very well.
Mm-hmm.
But when it's
Mm.
come to video, it's hard to not to crack, to face
Yeah,
to face, talk to
true.
person face to face, it's a very hard nut to crack. But when we do something every day, so we are habitual, we can do very smoothly.
Yeah, true.
So
Yeah,
that's the main
because
reason. And second reason also, like our children,
yeah,
right?
nowadays it's very important to
This
speak
is very
English.
important because future, I think nobody know about the future, what will happen, right? But if you
True.
know, because everyone have degree, but nowadays degree doesn't work everywhere. If
It's
you
just
have
a
any
plus.
skills, so you can survive your life very smoothly, you can give any interview, you can do job.
Yeah,
And english is a requirement everywhere, in mostly in interview.
yeah. I can means I would like to say English is very important whether it is your professional life or your personal life. It's truly matters everywhere.
Okay, so I, because I love activity, I didn't prepare anything, but I have something in my mind, so
Mhm.
I would like to give you, like a very simple. People are shy for describing, but I don't shy. This is our we can say home part. Okay, so why washroom is very important in our life. Do you survive your life without washroom? It's a very we can say, you can describe.
Okay, but yeah, truly, I say without washroom, how we can survive? It's a very essential thing of our daily life, and yeah, it does really matter because as as a female, we uh, we we can't go outside like men. They sometimes they can go if they have any emergency, any kind of emergency. But as a female, it's a very mandatory thing for our daily life. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can
And
say
another thing.
like, yeah,
Okay.
go ahead. You can
No, I'm
tell
asking
something.
you. Okay. That's it.
Okay, so in we can say washroom is very essential part of life. Without a washroom, we can't survive the life, because we go to washroom and we wash. We along with that we take shower also. Okay, because nowadays you can see washroom is joint, like washroom and freshener both are in this.
Hmm.
Okay, and we can carry so many things in the washroom, and like we can carry some soap and
Shampoos.
harpic shampoo, like that we can carry
Hmm.
so many things. So it's a very essential part of our life, because suppose in slum people, do you know slum people? No, they don't have washroom this type of. Okay, they pay the money and then they go to outside, like government make
Yes, a
made
public washrooms.
public
Yeah. Hmm.
public washroom. They pay money, then they go, right? Because they don't have, they face a lot of problem, and they take shower uh, beside the road. They don't have washroom, they face a lot of problem, but we have. So we can say washroom is very essential part, washroom. And एक कहावत है ना, कपड़ा मकान रोटी, इट्स वेरी essential part of
Yes,
our life.
yes, yes, true. Very.
Without these things we can't survive.
Yeah, you are talking about, and I'm getting goosebumps because yeah, we are very lucky, and we should grateful to God if we have all these things. It means the daily uses things we have. I think yeah, we should be grateful for
Mhm.
these all the things. Yeah,
And
yeah.
you can describe another thing, kitchen. I will give you simple, you can describe very easily.
Mm-hmm.
Kitchen.
Yeah, kitchen is also important because without kitchen, how we can survive? Because how can how can we manage the things without eating, without food? Because we cannot order all the time foods from the outside. Because nowadays we are means many people becoming health conscious, and they mostly prefer home foods only, homemade foods. But yeah, it's very important, and yeah, I don't think so because without kitchen, life is possible.
Yes, because without kitchen, it is not possible. We can survive our life, but you can see earlier days people, how did they survive? Because they
Oh
didn't
my
have
God.
kitchen. They used to make food under the tree, sometime uh, on the roof.
Yeah,
Okay, on the roof. But now we have kitchen, and we make food in the kitchen. We carry so many things related the kitchen, some spices, some pulses, and gram flour, wheat flour, and gas cylinder, everything we carry in the kitchen. Like a fridge also we carry in the
yeah,
kitchen. So we carry so many things in the kitchen. So kitchen also very significant
essential.
in our
Yeah,
home.
very true.
Okay.
Yeah, you have asked a very interesting question. Actually, I can say I never thought
Okay,
about
washing
this.
machine. बिकॉज
About
आई
what?
डेंट प्रिपेयर, तो बट जो भी मेरे माइंड में आ रहा है मैं पूछती जा रही हूँ, एंड का होगा पता नहीं.
Okay, no worries. Without
ओके,
washing
वॉशिंग
machine.
मशीन.
Yeah, without washing machine is also so important because without washing machine, how can we wash clothes? And and we are very habitual to uh, washing the clothes by washing machine only. And if we sometime there is no electricity or something happened with the machine, it is not working, then we got very hectic and means very what can I say, परेशान हो जाते हैं कि what can I do, how how I can manage these things. Without washing machine is also not possible. And while you are working, so I can't imagine my life without washing machine.
Yeah, without washing machine we can't imagine. But if I talk about in village people, they have washing machine but they don't use. They always prefer wash the clothes from the hand. But now new generation, they depend only washing machine. They are very lazy day by day. They are getting lazy day by. I am also getting lazy
Yeah,
day
we are
by day.
also,
And
yeah.
what's the reason? Like second reason also, because nowadays husband between wife both are doing job. They don't have plenty of time. That's why they have a washing machine, and they wash the clothes from the washing machine very easily. It's
Mm,
takes little time. We can wash and we can dry also from the washing machine, and we can save time also.
yeah,
And nowadays people can't survive the life, especially in the city.
yeah, it's
Village
not
people can
possible.
manage, but in
Yeah, they can.
in city people they can't manage,
Yeah, but
because
nowadays I'm seeing everyone is using washing machine. Like I'm seeing in my means hometown. Yeah, all they are using washing machine. They don't they they don't wash clothes by hand.
yeah, sometime I see this type. They have washing machine, but they didn't use. Sometime actually in village there is a electricity problem going on every time.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
this type of
it depends on
situation.
the area to area. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and nowadays without we can say washing machine we can't survive. And like on you know, when we wash mostly bed sheet, it's
Hmm.
very hard to
Yeah.
crack. Bed sheet, it's we can't wash bed sheet from the hand.
By hand,
Like
it's very difficult.
daily
Yeah,
uses
that
cloth we can
can be
wash.
managed.
It's easy.
Huh. Hmm.
We can manage. But
Huh.
when it's come to bed
Bed
sheet,
sheets,
so it's
blanket.
very hard not to
Yeah.
crack.
Yeah. Yeah. True. Agree.
Or
Because
like
it's,
if you have washing machine, so in summer season it's very helpful for everyone. You know,
yeah,
summer season you can collect so many clothes and you can
winter,
wash from the washing machine.
in winter season, I
Winter
can say.
season, yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, winter season. Summer
Yeah.
season, so it's
Yeah, it can be managed
manageable.
because sun is so hot. Hmm. Yeah, but in winter
Okay, okay.
season,
So
it's
do you
very
have
helpful.
any?
Do you
Do
have
you
any?
have any question you can ask, and then I can handle the
Okay. Uh, okay.
you
After
are
this
thinking what should I
conversation,
ask?
yeah. After this many of questions, I am unable to find something different.
Okay, no issue. I can ask. Okay, how did you find my we can say email from my
Yeah,
YouTube channel?
yeah, I am following you on YouTube, and yeah, I watch your podcast means conversation videos. Yeah, then from there I got your mail ID, and you really speak well, and I really enjoyed your conversation with the people, and it's really help. It's really did help for me. Yeah, I take many things about learning. Yeah, so from that I got your mail ID, and then I, okay, why should I talk to you? So then I got your number,
Great.
email ID.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much for your kind word. Because now I am also learning and making video. Along with that, make video and I upload also. That's main reason we can
Yeah,
say.
yeah, but yeah, and I really want to say you are very nice person, and because I can feel the vibe. Because sometime I was very nervous in the beginning of the call, but yeah, after talking to you, I'm normal. I'm
Yeah,
not hesitating.
actually, I conduct so many session. I conduct so many session, but people always message me, ma'am. The way you meeting to people, it's very nice. You always
Yeah.
meeting with people with a smile. Other person also feel happy inside. They can articulate their thought very well.
Yeah, true, ma'am. I'm also feeling that because I can feel the vibe. Yeah, it's very nice of you, and I'm really enjoying conversation with you. You can see I'm while I'm talking, means I'm fumbling, but not very much.
But I saw you were enjoying a lot. Okay, but
Yeah.
I enjoyed a lot. Okay, because without preparing, we did at least nice conversation to each other.
Yeah, and it's a 27 minutes already.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye bye and have a nice day. It was nice conversation with you.
Yeah, ma'am.
I will share you. I
Yeah,
will
sure,
share you
ma'am.
link.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time because I have time only in Saturday and Sunday. And thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you
bye
so much
bye.
for your time. Bye bye, ma'am.